To get started with your Aura Frame, you'll first need to download the Aura Frames app. The app is available for free on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once you have the app installed, you'll need to create an Aura account if you're a new user. This account is essential for connecting to your Aura Frame. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. For new users, after logging in, you'll tap the plus New Frame button and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the entire setup process step by step. During setup, you'll need to connect your frame to your Wi-Fi network. The frame requires a stable 2.4 GHz connection, though some newer models also support 5 GHz networks. During the setup process, a 4-digit code will appear on your Aura Frame display. The app will automatically detect this code via Bluetooth if Bluetooth is enabled on your device. This code pairs your phone with the frame. Remember, each person who wants to share photos to the frame needs their own individual Aura account. Sharing accounts between family members is not recommended for the best experience and security. When experiencing login issues with the Aura Frame app, the first troubleshooting step is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This resolves many authentication problems by removing stored data that may be causing conflicts. Ensure your device settings grant full access permission to the Aura app. Insufficient permissions can prevent proper login functionality and photo sharing capabilities. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option. Your new password must meet specific complexity requirements. At least 8 characters with 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 symbol. For persistent problems, check your Wi-Fi connectivity and reconnect the frame if necessary. Wi-Fi issues can affect both login and photo synchronization between your device and the Aura Frame. Make sure your photos are in JPG format for successful uploading. The Aura Frame is optimized for JPG files, and other formats may cause upload failures or display issues. If issues continue, don't hesitate to contact Aura customer support for further assistance. Additionally, keep your app updated to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and new features that improve reliability and user experience.